Boa Vista VIII residence by Arquitetura Gui Mattos in Brazil. Designed to be a family summer home, the project inspires itself with the view of the lake and the sunset. An entrance hall highlighted by its orange-ocher coloring stands out among the white volumes and unites them. Showing its function through its color, it forms an implantation of two perpendicular rectangles. As it is also a circulation space, it immediately directs flows to the larger block, destined for the social and intimate area or, if preferable, the volume that holds the leisure spaces. At the request of the clients, who wanted a space to display their numerous art collections, the larger pavilion is made up of a generous social area that embraces coexistence but also the desires of the residents, receiving paintings and sculptures. As you move towards the rooms, the environment then narrows into a true gallery, reserved and with a second space for rest and contemplation. In contrast to this entrance environment open to the landscape, with fully collapsible frames, further back and private, are the children's bedrooms which, in search of individuality, are divided into three distinct blocks, visually notable on the facade for a distance of 1.5 meters from each other. These breathers, so to speak, generate, in addition to the interesting movement of volumes, a more pleasant dynamic for accessing the rooms, offering a small glimpse of the landscape as the route progresses. Crowning these subtleties of openings and distances is a slab covered in wood and supported by metal pillars which, distancing it from the rest of the volumes, acquires lightness and its own movement through its independence from the set and its bulging sides.